Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here, and today we're going to go over some exercises to strengthen your lateral hip. What you'll need in this video is just a PT band and then your body weight. So the first exercise is we're going to do an asymmetrical bridge, which means our feet are going to be a little bit off tilt. So one will be closer to your buttocks, and we're just going to drive up to the ceiling and come down, making sure to emphasize our glutes and our hips, not our back or our hamstrings. Feel free to follow along on the video and do the same amount that we are, or do less or more according to what you're currently able to do. From there, we're going to shift our feet, so bring your other foot closer and then push the closer foot farther away. And we'll do some in this position. Again, making sure to feel that gentle dull tension in your glutes and buttocks. From there, we'll just do some lateral holds. So you're going to lay on your side, and you're going to lift your leg up and back and pause for about 3 to 4 seconds and come down. Again, making sure you feel it in your posterior buttocks and not the front. If it's too hard, you can bend your knee and start with the bent knee, but we'll do it with a straight leg. Again, hold to tolerance. We'll do the other side now. Now, some people may find that laying on the affected side is too painful, so you might have to just start with one side and then build up over time to doing it. Feel free to adjust to your accordance. Again, you want to make sure your leg is coming up and back and you're feeling it in your posterior glute. Next, we'll grab the PT band, place it around your feet, just around the knees. Lay on your side with your feet and knees stacked, and we're going to drive your knee up towards the ceiling and don't let your feet move. Again, push up towards the ceiling to tolerance, hold for a sec, and come down. Now again, you may need to pause and rest for a sec before you start that, and that's fine. Adjust to what you're currently able to do. Don't push too hard. If you want to make it harder, you can get a thicker band or just hold at the top longer. Or you can go slower, like a 2-second count up, pause, and then a 2-second down. We'll switch and do the other side. Again, making sure that just the knee moves and the feet stay stacked. And you should feel it in your glutes. You might feel a nice gentle ache at this point because you've done some stuff. That's a good thing. Again, if you want to slow down or stop, pause the video, totally fine. Okay, from there, we'll take the band off. And then we're going to do just a standing leg swing. So you might want to start with holding onto the wall, balance on one leg, making sure your weight's on your midfoot, and drive your other leg back at a 45. Again, making sure you use your hip. And it should be slow and controlled. You don't want to be wobbling. So if you need to hold onto the wall, hold onto the wall. If you feel like you want to progress, you can do it without the wall. But again, it's slow and controlled. This way you're working this hip and this hip. We'll switch. Again, use the wall if you need. Slight bend in the knee, weight over midfoot. Push your leg back, pause, come forward. Back, pause. Come forward. Back, pause, come forward. All right, that's it for today. We hope you found this video helpful.